Oy, my son, daughter, look at your father. Your dad.
It's a criminal.
He's a criminal. Oh, you know that?
It's a criminal. He killed a goat.
You killed that goat. Oh, oh my God.
Killed a goat
Oh,
and burned a goat.
oh. Look at the goat. It's always laughing.
Hey guys, it's more fun in the Philippines, you know.
Huh? Yaw, wala kidik ba
You
aram
can,
mag-English?
You can kill the goat.
Ah.
You can burn the goat. Actually, this is that's why I'm burning this to make it. They call it a smoke flavor. A smoke flavor goat. I'm using the blowtorch.
Oh, what is that kuno? You are that nabitay.
Where's that?
Itlog.
Oh, that's what we call soup number 5.
Ay,
That's
no.
a soup number 5.
I know.
Okay na?
Okay. Pwede itong kulagap diri.
Oo.